Hello, after you log into QwikBanners, you will see two options. One for creating display ads and other one for social media ads. Let us try display ads first. There are many templates to choose from. Templates are categorized as you can see here. The default view will show all the templates. You can navigate through the templates in each category and select. Categories include lifestyle, software, gadgets, real estate, etc. Let us see what is inside each category. As you can see, there are many templates under each category. Let us see some more categories and create banners using one of the template. Going to choose one from gadgets. We'll use this. Here you can customize the banner. Your product image should be a transparent image so that you can place it in the banner. Click on the background color button from the left side menu to change the background. As you can see, the background of all the banners changes as we select the color. You can also use the eyedrop tool to pick a particular color. Click on the product image to choose a product image. I am choosing one from my cutout collection. Now the product image in the banners will be replaced by the one you selected. Click here to change the logo. You can also change the button color. As you make the changes, it is updated in all the banners of different sizes and shaped. You can even change the color of text in the button. Now I am updating the call to action in the button. Type the heading here. You can change the color of the heading by clicking the heading color button. Update the paragraph text here. This is for changing the color of text. You can also change the font theme. All the options are self-explanatory. Only thing left to update is the logo. I am going to quickly update that also. Select an image to use as the logo. The image I chose is small. You can choose the size you would like to have in the banner. Now you can verify the banners of different sizes and make adjustments if required. To download the banners, click on the Download Set button at the top. It zips all the banners and downloads. Takes a few seconds. Save the zip file to your preferred folder. Now it is downloaded. Let us open and check the banners. You can see the banners of different sizes in the zip. QwikBanners is very user-friendly and helpful to create banners. Now we created a set of banners spending very less time and effort. Similarly, we can create ads for social media also. Sizes and templates are different, but the process is similar. Hope you liked this demo. If you are interested, it is available for a one-time price. Check the description below for the link.